When video conferencing, obviously visuals play a huge part, but the most important aspect of a video conference call is the audio quality. Hi, I'm Travis Monroe of Mediamazing, and in this video, we are going to review several options for you to step up your audio game and ensure that your message is being heard. When video conferencing, most people rely on the built-in microphone of their computer, tablet, or phone that they are streaming on. These microphones do an okay job of picking up your voice, but they also pick up all the noise around you. This can lead to distortion and digital artifacting when streaming video. It also means you have to be very close to your computer to get the best quality out of it. Instead, you should use a headset. Not only will it allow you to be more clearly heard by everyone, but it'll also make you sound clear, and the microphone is closer to your mouth as it's designed to pick up less noise around you. We prefer headsets that can plug directly into your computer, but there are also Bluetooth options. Keep in mind though, Bluetooth headsets work great in most cases, but can cause a delay in audio being sent and received. Another option is to pick up a condenser microphone that you can plug into your computer via USB. This will provide the cleanest sounding audio, but also can be a bit more expensive. I hope you found these tips useful in your next video conference call. For more tips on video conferencing, click the link above.